This session we are going to be disassembling a BHP square spindle entry lever. The tools that we're going to need to do this are a plug clip remover, a plug follower, and a small screwdriver. The first step is to make sure that this lever is in the unlocked position. Two ways you can do this. Turning the thumb turn completely clockwise, or also taking the tail piece and turning that clockwise. What this does is it releases the lever to turn freely. Next thing is to find a small round hole on the rosette. What we need to do is turn the lever until you see an opening in the hole, and pushing a screwdriver into that hole. Now at the same time you're going to be using your index fingers to push the rosette away from the lever. Push those in and pull the lever away with your palm. On the cylinder and the housing, you'll see a cylinder cap. Remove this. Locate the plug clip which is holding the cylinder into the housing, and use the plug clip remover to pry the plug clip away from the cylinder. Match up the two ends of the cylinder against the two ends of the plug clip and slowly pry it off. Insert the keys into the cylinder and remove it from the housing. Rekey it to whatever key number you want it to and replace it. Hold the cylinder down with your thumb in order to pull out the keys so the cylinder doesn't come out with the key. Put the plug clip back onto the cylinder and snap it in place. On the cylinder cap, there is a notch that needs to be matched up with the groove in the cylinder itself. Push that on and snap it together to make sure that it is flush. Put the housing back into the body mechanism. This step, we are going to have to turn the lever until you see that the two holes are matched up. With one hand bracing your palm against the lever and gripping the rosette with your fingers, insert the screwdriver into the round hole and push down the notch so that you can push the two parts together. When you hear a snap, it should be locked together, but also pull it apart to test it.